Behind.
This guy is sweating right now. Yeah, be careful, guys.
Fuck.
Nice fun.
Yo, y'all are some ass.
Damn, imagine stream sniping. Nice stream snipe.
What?
Yo, what's good? It's Nav, and now I'm gonna give you a Fennec class. So this is the class right here. There's no tuning on it, so it's just the class, just the attachments, and yeah. But anyways, before I go, I want to let y'all know all of my socials are down in the description. So make sure to go drop a follow on all of those if you guys want to keep up with me. And also, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you guys did. Also, comment down below what y'all want to see from me in the future. I know this game's a little bit dry, but I'm trying my best to make the best content for you guys. So if you guys want anything from me, make sure to comment that down below. But anyways, I hope y'all do enjoy the video. I love y'all. Peace.
Meow, is that Meow on our team? Yep, they're about to get fucking shit on completely. We ain't gotta do nothing, boys. Let fucking Meow run out there. I'm telling you. We could literally just sit there, I guarantee you half the lobby's gone in about fucking 5 seconds. Jesus fucking Christ. This round is ours. Ready up for the next one. He's cheating, dude. He's cheating.
Over here calling Activision right now.
Damn. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to get kills, man.
A fucking RPG. I swear this thing is the fucking fastest I've ever played. It's the only thing is used for an RPG.
Dude, bro, it's too entitled, my lord.
Last ring.
See what I mean? RPG fucking.
Where's he at? The body died.
Oh, there's one behind.
It's the one crackhead with a Fennec on their team.
Yo, Meow, I'm definitely reporting you.
We do not care.
Nice.
Hold it, pussy.
Overhead. Ready to deploy.
Damn.
empty.
Secure the device.
Stupid.
Standing by. Ready for tasking. Standing by.
I'm dead, bruh. That kid was so lost.
One minute.
Ready for task.
Yeah, that was a pretty good rush, man.
Gunner is standing by.
Nice try, guys. Nice try. Here comes! Ah! Over. Copy, you're cheating. Copy, clear. I love when people cheat because it gives us more of a challenge. I like that challenge. Let's go. Bring it.
Be ready to deploy.
Nice shot, Julio. Excuse me. Wow, that was interesting. I mean, like, we almost got you. Remember? Remember that time when we almost got you? Now that's content. Over.